Hi, this is Tanmay Pramanik and I'm from CSC department.
So my name is Paulami Singha Mahapatra and I am from the Computer Science Department.
Myself Pratyush and I am from CSC department.
Everyone, my name is Nivedita Bharti and I am from the department जिसका placement सबसे ज़्यादा लगता है. Of course, computer science and engineering.
I'm Monalisha Ghosh and I'm from Computer Science and Engineering Department.
Hi, I'm Pratyusha Bhattacharjee from Computer Science Department.
This is Karan. First year is.
Hi, my name is Rangan Mukherjee and I am from Computer Science Engineering Department.
Hi everyone, this is Tushar Supomauri. I'm studying in the CSC department in the first year. The Three Idiots and the Student of the Year.
The web series and movies, it seems to be quite fun. But
हॉस्टल लाइफ का मजा लेना है मुझे बट नहीं हो पाया.
म्यूजिक
Student of the year. I thought I would build robots and AI related stuff, but in reality, we all are doing CCP, which stands for cut, copy, and paste.
Canteen stuffs and wanted to go to movies and have fun together and traveling also.
If I want to go to a vacation with my college friends, like maybe in Goa.
cultural activities for sure. I love doing all those cultural activities.
To prank on a teacher.
कोई सेंस बात
Because bunking and all I have done.
I want to grow my hair. यहाँ तक मुझे बाल रखना है इतना बड़ा.
Go on long trips with my friends and a solo trip too.
भंग करना चाहती हूँ एक्चुअली.
So the seniors, obviously I haven't met the seniors and not even known all of them, only a few, and they are really helpful and kind, I believe. They're nice.
Those whom I met, they are actually very intelligent and helpful. They help me in each and every aspect.
Utpal Bhaiya, Kunal Bhaiya, and Rishi Bhaiya is perfect. Literally, I was shocked to found this type of seniors in this college.
भाईजान कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया मतलब
And I don't think any other college will have such seniors who will be teaching.
डिसेंट बहुत अच्छी तरीके से. ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइक बहुत जगह होते हैं कि मतलब भाव खाएंगे हम कि हम सीनियर है, एटीट्यूड दिखाएंगे बहुत थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन वो सब यहाँ पे नहीं है. सच में मेरे को ये बहुत अच्छा लगा.
As for now, I just want to stay single.
But it's like a dream to date the seniors.
I want to date my seniors. But
Actually, I don't want to date anyone, but if I get the chance, I would go for batchmates.
Let's talk about batchmates. Batchmates are really good. They are friendly, they are enthusiastic. They're actually good. But then also I think I don't know much about them.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
I don't know much about them to take one of them. So I don't think I will take one of them now. Maybe later. Now if I talk about my seniors, they are so knowledgeable and I think they're actually so much higher level than me. I mean, they're not of my style.
2 hours later.
They're, they know much better. They know many things which I don't know, and I don't consider myself to be in their level, so I can get one of them. And if I talk about my juniors, still I think there is 1 year to think about it.
Isn't the academics more important than dating?
Honestly, I wouldn't like to date anybody.
प्यार में क्या रखा है? और फिर अगर कभी भी हुआ तो obviously the first choice will be my seniors. Oh, so what will be my pick-up line? Okay, so I'm not saying it, I'm playing it.
Suddenly, a stranger joined our meeting, and अचानक से गाना बजता है. We all are serious at that time, and we were like, अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? And the most hilarious thing is, sir is still teaching the subject.
The teacher was teaching and somebody just played a Bhojpuri song and it was fun.
इंग्लिश क्लास एक लड़की, वो हम लोग का जो असाइनमेंट होता है ना, उसमें वो लड़की बोल रही थी और उसका वॉइस मस्त था, बस मस्त था। आई मीन बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत माइंड ब्लोइंग था उसका वॉइस। तो इन द चैट बॉक्स मैंने लिख दिया कि क्या बोलती है यार, इसका क्या वॉइस है यार, तुम बहुत दूर तक जाओगी, ऐसा वैसा लिख के एक पैराग्राफ टाइप लिख दिया। एंड देयर वाज देबाद्रिता मैम, आई थिंक सो। मैम ने बहुत झाड़ी मुझे, बहुत झाड़ी।
मतलब हर जगह सैलरी डजंट मैटर, व्हाट मैटर्स इज माय ड्रीम ऑफिस, जहाँ पे मैं जॉब करना चाहती हूँ और मुझे वो रिस्पेक्ट मिले।
Dream is to placed well.
Which is at least 12 LPA.
4 to 5 lakhs per annum. Yes, 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. That's what I expect.
टोटली एमलेस पर्सन, क्या पैकेज मिलेगा? मुझे कोई जॉब भी नहीं देगा। छोड़ो।
6 to 7 lakhs per annum.
I don't expect a package from college. I expect a package from a company. Hashtag being smart.
तो बात ऐसा है कि मैं लोगों को बोलता ही नहीं हूँ कि मैं बीसी रॉय कॉलेज में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं बोलता हूँ कि मैं बीसी रेक में पढ़ता हूँ, which sounds different.
It is a good college in Durgapur and West Bengal as well. They appreciated me and they were happy about it.
That वह हमारी बेटी BC रॉय कॉलेज में पढ़ेगी और इंजीनियर बनेगी। एंड माई फ्रेंड्स सेड दैट BC रॉय एक अच्छा कॉलेज है, पढ़ाई भी अच्छी होती है एंड प्लेसमेंट्स भी ठीक हैं।
They be like it's a good college, no doubt in terms of placements too. And after NIT, this is the only good engineering college in Durgapur.
तो मैं जब बोलती हूँ कि एक्चुअली मैं BCRC में एडमिशन ली हूँ, तो पीपल सेज वाह वो खूब भालो, लाइक दे आर सो हैप्पी, दे एक्सप्रेस देयर वे ऑफ हैप्पीनेस एक्चुअली बोल के कि बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है। सबका एक बहुत अच्छा थॉट है इस कॉलेज को लेके।
Oh my god, I don't even want to think about it.
4 years online, please don't talk like that.
Oh, okay. That is the worst thing that can happen to most of us.
It will be a blunder. We will not able to learn anything practically.
Like seriously, बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या?
I really don't have a song in my mind, but if I can make a song, then I would really make a song of college khul ja type songs.
You need to calm down. So that is a song, I guess, because it's serious. You need to calm down.
हमारे हालात ऐसे हैं कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता और बच्चों की जान लोगे क्या?
नाच मेरी रानी।
कंफ्यूजन है, सॉल्यूशन कुछ पता नहीं। सॉल्यूशन जो मिला था साला, क्वेश्चन क्या था पता नहीं।
The first song will be ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबू जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी गरम कभी नरम, कभी गरम गरम कभी नरम नरम। The second song will be like जीव दासता है ये,
मेरे तो दिल लग गए, मेरे तो दिल लग गए। That's it.